Hi all, welcome again. Today we will see what is a factor. Is 2 a factor of 8? Is 3 a factor of 14? Is 0 a factor of 13 or 0 or any other integer? We will see all these examples in detail. First, let us see what is a factor. The definition says that a factor of a number is any non-zero integer that divides the number exactly, leaving no remainder. Got it? It means a factor must satisfy two conditions. Condition 1, it must be a non-zero integer. Condition 2, it must divide the given number exactly. Got it? Example 1, is 2 a factor of 8? Let us check the conditions. Condition 1, is 2 a non-zero integer? Yes, 2 is a non-zero integer. Condition 2, does 2 divide 8 exactly? Let us check. When we divide 8 by 2, we get 0 as the remainder. So, you can say 2 divides 8 exactly. Since 2 is a non-zero integer and it divides 8 exactly, you can say 2 is a factor of 8. Got it? Example 2, is 3 a factor of 14? Let us check. Condition 1, is 3 a non-zero integer? Yes. Condition 2, does 3 divide 14 exactly? Let us check. Observe here, when we divide 14 by 3, we get 2 as the remainder. So, you can say 3 does not divide 14 exactly. Therefore, even though 3 is a non-zero integer, since it does not divide 14 exactly, 3 is not a factor of 14. Got it? Example 3, is 0 a factor of 13 or 0 or any other integer? Let us check. Condition 1, is 0 a non-zero integer? No. Condition 2, does 0 divide 13? or 0 or any other integer exactly? Let us check. Observe here, division by 0 is not allowed or undefined in mathematics. That is, you cannot divide any number by 0. Got it? So, 0 cannot divide any number exactly. Therefore, since 0 is not a non-zero integer and division by 0 is undefined, 0 is not a factor of 13 or 0 or any other integer. Got it? In total, you can say 0 is not a factor. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on factors and their properties, please watch the complete playlist that I have created earlier. Thank you.